Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to get skins right here from Fortnite. However, if you guys would like to sign up for a giveaway where you guys can get them for free, just sign up in my giveaway video. So that's different. Just go to the giveaway video, follow the 3 steps which are extremely easy, which is basically just putting a comment, subscribing, which most of you already done, and using the creator code, which you will see later on. But that's in the giveaway video. Let's just get started with this video. So we're going to scroll all the way down to Item Shop. In Item Shop, we're going to see this up here. And I was thinking of just getting the skin itself because I usually just get that, but it's only 100 V-Bucks more to get the other one, so I might as well do that, although I don't get skins by myself. But I decided since I have 14,000, I could maybe just get this one time just for me, and then I'll have enough for the giveaway anyways. So we're gonna go on and purchase bundle. I'm so used to gifting to friends, that's the first thing I did. I just went down here, but it's the first option. Hold X, and then you're gonna get this. You can equip everything. I'm not gonna equip this skin, I'm just gonna go into next. I'm gonna equip this, although I shouldn't have. I'm gonna equip that, and equip this. So there we go. Of course, if you regret any purchase, you can always cancel the purchase. So that's something nice that Fortnite has done, although you could cancel it later on as well, or return it. But that's how you guys can purchase a skin. So right now, I should be wearing it, and there it is. Of course, I am wearing the cape, which I'm going to take off right now. So you can go into my locker, cape, take off the cape. I can also take a look at my other skin, by the way. And then I can just save this as a new skin. However, I'm just going to leave it for now. But that's how this awesome skin looks like. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.